because Iggy wanted a mate. So we're gonna surprise her today. Say hi, Ozzy. Uh-oh, it's okay. He's not used to riding in a car. I know. This whole ride in the car thing, he's not sure about.
Got his mouth open, taking in cold
He says he's thirsty. I turned the vent off. It's not on him. Look at that mouth. Yeah, I know. It's kind of deep. He's not sure about this. He doesn't know where he's going. The meeting and the greeting. He's exploring her little indoor housing for now.
Oh, you want to taste me? I know, baby. Can I get some grapes or
Following him
something?
around. They want to play with your shoelace.
Because they think it's worms.
They said they just want to play. They're getting along awesome.
You think it's a worm?
They're so cute together. She just follows behind him. Wherever he goes, she goes. I love this. He's wet because he jumped in the pool as soon as he got out here. They love water, apparently. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Better catch him. Better catch him. Where'd he go? She's like, here he is. They're so cute together. She just follows him around. She feels safer, I think, with someone like her.